Hello friends, I am Roshan Jha from CMCIT program YouTube channel. Friends, in this tutorial we are going to learn about the Windows XP desktop components. When we start the computer, then we can get this type of the platform. This is the Windows XP desktop screen. Okay, here different types of icons are available. These are the icons and different types of icons are given. Okay, then first of all, this is called this is the desktop. It is called the desktop. We can change the desktop background from here, and this is the taskbar. Here is the given. The below part is called the taskbar. Okay, we can minimize here. First of all, my computer. This is the my computer, which is the system icon, which cannot generate. It is already created by the corporation. And my computer, we can get the every information by clicking on my computer computer icon. Okay, when we click on the right click on the open, then different types of the tools are available here. These are the hard disk partition. Local disk C, local disk T, local disk E. These are called the hard disk partition, and the first partition local disk C, where the operating systems is stored. Okay, and a 551 MB free of the 38.9 GB. That means the total capacity of the C drive is 38.9, where 551 is the free space. Similarly, local disk T and E, we can also find 49.1 GB free of 53.7 GB. That means total storage capacity of the hard disks by calculating all the disk drives. Okay, all the downloaded parts are here. Here is the Opera Auto Update Turbo C 3.2. These are the downloaded parts. Okay, so this is called the my computer, where we can get all the information about the hard disks. Second things, when we click on the my computer and click on the properties, then we can get the information about the computer system. Here Windows 7 Ultimate, this is the operating system. Service Pack 1 is here. Okay, and processor, this type of the processor is connected in the computer system. Intel Arc Dell CPU E22 2.20. This is the capacity of the processors. Okay, processing speed 2.20 gigahertz. Okay, installed memory 2.02 GB, that means 2 GB of RAM is installed, and operating system categorized 64-bit operating system. Okay, we can get every information of the computer by right click on the my computer. Okay, my computer, and click on the properties options. The next part is the network place. By the help of this icon, we can get the information about all the connected devices which is connected into the networks. Okay, and here is the recycle bin. Recycle bin, it is also the most important icon which is used to store all deleted files and folders. When we delete any items from the computer system, then it stores all the deleted items. Okay, suppose simply as for example, suppose Turbo C++, here this is the icon. It is the program item icon. Right click on the delete, then here is given an option. Are you sure you want to move this shortcut to the recycle bin? Yes. When you click on the S button, then it removes into the recycle bin. Okay, when you right click on recycle bin, click on the open, then Turbo C++ is here. Okay, and if you want to send the icon in same places, then here right click on the restore button, then it will go to the previous position. Okay, it will go to the previous position. So it is called the restore option. You can also say these are the icons, and this is called the program item icon, C++ programming. Okay, and this is the my document Roshan. Here stores different types of the folders and files. Understood? And from here we can get the information about the documents active presented. These are the installed programs into the computer system. Understood? And other things, Google Chrome, these are also the icons. Here this is called the desktop part. Okay, we can also change the desktop screen by right click into the desktop, click on the personalization. Okay, when we right click here, then this platform appears. It is called the menu, shortcut menu. It is also called the pop-up menu. All the mouses have 2 or 3 buttons. One is the left button, right button, and middle button. When we click left button, then all the components, icons and files will select, and when you click on the right button, then a menu appears that is called the shortcut menu or pop-up menu. From here, click on the personalize, and we can change the desktop background by clicking here. When you click, choose any files, this or this, and when you click on the close button, then file, the wallpaper is changes. Okay, and here this part is called, this is the most important part, this is the taskbar. How can you define the taskbar? The rectangular bar that runs horizontally across the bottom of the screen is called the taskbar. It is the taskbar where a start button appears at the left down corner of the screen. Okay, it is the left down corner, and in this side here is the date and time available. Okay, from here we can also change the date and time by right click on the adjust date and time. When you click on adjust date and time, from here two buttons are available, change the date and time and change the time zone. We can also set date and time from the here. Okay, and these all are the programs which is minimized into the taskbar. Okay, so now in this tutorial we have learned about the Windows XP desktop components, what is desktop, okay, and what are icons and what is the taskbar. In next tutorial we will discuss about how to manage the desktop icons. Okay, now I am going to stop my video. Thank you.